Hello everyone, today I'm going to read the story about going fishing 3. Then start. Going fishing. Going fishing. My dad loves fishing. He goes fishing every week. Today he is taking me with him. I'm very excited. We put on our socks. We put on our boots. We put on our hats. We put on our vests. I grabbed the fishing poles. He grabs the tackle box. We walk over the hills. We arrive at a lake. My dad throws the fishing net. I throw my fishing line. Wait. We wait and wait. My dad catches a fish. It is a big fish. I catch a fish too. It's even bigger. We walk back home with our fish. My dad likes fishing with me. I like fishing with my dad too. The end. So if you enjoyed the story about going fishing, please subscribe. Then goodbye.